So hi Jake,
Hey, Ed.
we are going to have a look at the Donna D1, right? This is just announced.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we bring this prototype to NAMM this year, and the D1 is a 12-channel sample-based drum machine and sequencer, and it's mainly aiming the entry-level market, and it's for young beginners to explore the music production, the electronic music, and it just come up with that you will come up with the drum patterns more easily. It features both real-time recording and can be switched via combo function keys. So so you can see there are 12 channel.
So it's a sample playback drum machine, isn't it?
I'm sorry.
It's a sample. It's a sampler, right? So or it's a sample playback.
Yeah,
machine.
sampler playback machine,
Yeah.
and 12-channel based drum machine. Also, it features the 16 RGB velocity sensitive pads, and 5 NS encode with touch function, factory content collaboration with Loopmasters. We're going to release it with bundle with Loopmaster. So,
So this is a prototype, right?
yeah, this is a prototype. That we only this half the function are working for now. But I hope you will see the basic concept of our new product. You can see the connectivity, 2 cents, effects, reverb, delay, and there's 2 MIDI out, MIDI in, and headphone output, aux in, and
So with the
Yeah.
auxiliary in, can we sample with that? Is that the idea, or is the auxiliary in just to run through some of the effects?
yeah, we can sample that. Yeah.
Brilliant. So do you have a roadmap of when it's going to be available?
I would say the safest day is around May, and between May and maybe until before June. In
And-
May, yeah.
And do we have an idea on what price it will be aimed at?
The retail price for now will be 249, but we might make adjustment by the end when it by the day when it launch. So please visit to donnamusic.com for more information, and keep an eye on us.
Brilliant. Jake, thank you very much.
Thank you.